Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Goodwin School, home of the Bucks, in Greenwich, New Jersey, and part of the Greenwich Stow Creek Partnership Schools. Just an amazing day today here in their cafeteria. We actually had the Stow Creek students bust over as well, so I was able to reach all the grades, PK through 8th, in 2 separate assemblies that were age appropriate for the different grade levels. And the students really responded. You know, there's a lot of pin drop moments, a lot of hearts that were touched, I believe, and just kind of really thinking about the core message, which the focus was on bullying, but more important than that was to look at someone's heart first, right? The same way that you see your best friend for their heart before anything else. And we know our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? One finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, but how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, you know, 1, 2, 1 heartbeat, 1 breath, 1 word, 1 action, 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or we can say something so mean that it stays in their heart in a very negative way and hurtful way forever. So we have that choice, right? And no matter what we've gone through or will go through or are currently going through, we know that we can always choose love. We can always rise above that hate. And a couple of students, you know, they shared their heart with me about getting bullied in the past, whether it was because they were too tall or too short or too skinny or whatever the issue was, wearing glasses, etc. But the idea is, you know, the people that are doing this, the big reason why bullying happens, I believe, is that hurt people hurt people. Sometimes we push that pain on someone else. And if we can understand, you know, where that person's coming from, they're doing it because they might be in pain, we can try to flip the script and show them the love that they need. You know, rise above that hate, know that there's a lot of opinions out there, not everyone matters, right? We can't change how we're born. We can't change, you know, the fact that we have different skin color, that we might hear different, learn different, or see different, or walk, talk different, you know. Those are things that sometimes we can't control, but we can control our response, you know, and how we react towards something or some type of behavior. And I think the students really got that, you know, knowing we can always turn the hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And it's so important, especially in today's world, that we show that kindness. It's so needed, beyond necessary, right? To see someone for their heart first, but also for this too. I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M, right? That M stands for miracle, at the front of my shirt. Upside down W, it stands for worthy. You know, that we're all true, beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we have to believe this, right? We have to buy into this, because so many students I speak to, they don't. Or they might have forgotten this, they might have never been told this, and we can be that reminder, right? We can be that light to their heart. So thank you for touching my heart. It was awesome to be here for a first time. Hope to be back in the future, of course, and keep building on what we talked about today. But until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.